Hi, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the book The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This classic book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn the basics of investing. Graham's value investing approach is still relevant today, and his insights can help you make better investment decisions. In this video, we'll cover 5 important things to learn from The Intelligent Investor. We'll also provide some real-life examples to illustrate these points. 5 important things to learn from The Intelligent Investor. Invest for the long term. The stock market is cyclical, which means that it goes through periods of ups and downs. If you invest for the long term, you'll be able to ride out these cycles and come out ahead in the end. This is because the stock market has historically trended upwards over the long term. For example, if you had invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 index in 1980, your investment would be worth over $40,000 today. This is even after adjusting for inflation. Of course, there will be times when the stock market takes a downturn. However, if you stay invested for the long term, you'll eventually see your investments recover and grow in value. Do your research. Before you invest in any stock, it's important to do your research and understand the company's business. This includes looking at the company's financial statements, reading analyst reports, and following the news about the company. You want to make sure that you're investing in a company that has a strong track record of profitability, a good management team, and a sustainable business model. You also want to make sure that you're comfortable with the company's risk profile. Buy quality stocks. When you're investing for the long term, you want to buy stocks that are of high quality. This means that the company has a strong track record of profitability, a good management team, and a sustainable business model. Quality stocks are more likely to withstand downturns in the stock market and to continue to grow in value over the long term. Be patient. The stock market is volatile, and there will be times when your investments lose value. However, if you're patient and stay focused on the long term, you'll eventually see your investments grow in value. It's important to remember that the stock market is a long-term game. Don't expect to get rich quick. Instead, focus on investing in quality stocks and holding them for the long term. Don't panic sell. When the stock market takes a downturn, it's tempting to sell your investments. However, this is often the worst thing you can do. If you panic sell, you'll lock in your losses and miss out on the opportunity for your investments to recover. Instead, stay calm and don't make any rash decisions. Remember, the stock market is cyclical and it will eventually recover. If you follow these principles, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful investor. Real-life examples. Here are some real-life examples of how Graham's principles have been applied to investing. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in history, and he credits Graham's teachings with much of his success. Buffett has said that he learned from Graham to buy good companies at fair prices. In the 1980s, Peter Lynch was the manager of the Magellan Fund, which was one of the best-performing mutual funds of all time. Lynch used Graham's principles to identify undervalued stocks, and he was able to generate impressive returns for his investors. In recent years, value investing has made a comeback. Many investors have adopted Graham's principles and have been able to achieve success. The Intelligent Investor is a classic book that has stood the test of time. Graham's principles are still relevant today, and they can help you make better investment decisions. If you're new to investing, I recommend reading this book. It's a great place to start your investing education. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content on investing and personal finance.